What if the largest asteroid hit Earth? Asteroids, the rocky remnants of the early solar system, have fascinated and terrified humanity for centuries. Among these space rocks, some are colossal, but what if the largest asteroid of them all, Ceres, hit Earth in 2024? Ceres, the largest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, measures about 590 miles or 940 kilometers in diameter. To put that into perspective, it's roughly the size of Texas. Now let's imagine the unimaginable Ceres on a collision course with our planet. First, let's address the immediate aftermath of such an impact. The sheer size and speed of Ceres would release an unimaginable amount of energy upon collision. When it strikes, the kinetic energy would be equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs going off simultaneously. The initial impact would create a crater over 1,000 miles wide, vaporizing everything within and sending massive shockwaves across the planet. The heat from the impact would ignite fires globally, incinerating cities, forests, and oceans alike. The sky would darken with the debris thrown into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and plunging Earth into a prolonged period of darkness, often referred to as an impact winter. This prolonged darkness would disrupt photosynthesis, leading to the collapse of food chains. Most plant life would die off, followed by herbivores, and then the carnivores. The entire ecosystem would be thrown into chaos, resulting in a mass extinction event. For humanity, survival would become a desperate battle. The few who managed to survive the initial impact, the fires, and the earthquakes would face severe challenges. Food and water would become scarce, and the infrastructure we rely on would be obliterated. Civilization as we know it would be thrust back into a primitive state. But could we prevent this doomsday scenario? Currently, astronomers are constantly monitoring the skies for potential threats. Programs like NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office are dedicated to detecting and tracking near-Earth objects. With enough warning time, we could potentially divert an asteroid's path using nuclear devices or kinetic impactors. However, deflecting an object as massive as Ceres would require unprecedented international cooperation and technological innovation. While the scenario of Ceres colliding with Earth is a dramatic one, it's also a reminder of the importance of space research and planetary defense. Understanding the threats from space and developing strategies to mitigate them is crucial for the long-term survival of our species. In the end, while the thought of the largest asteroid hitting Earth is terrifying, it also highlights our potential to come together as a global community to protect our planet. By continuing to explore, innovate, and cooperate, we can ensure that Earth remains a safe haven for future generations. Stay curious, stay vigilant, and keep looking up.